to the right is where we go. We got a tour bus here. Bring a tour bus here, huh?
They had the tour times and this is part here.
Tours 10 to 4. Closed on Fridays.
I've got to say.
That's where we're going to be walking through.
It's so
Right there.
beautiful out here.
Hi guys, we are at Solomon's Castle today. We're going to have lunch and we are going to look at everything this artist created during his lifetime. It's quite fascinating.
So let's go. There are the prices there.
Yeah, no, I hate that.
Here it is.
So cool.
So here we are at Solomon's Castle. There is no recording inside the building or any other buildings, but you can record outside. And the outside area, as you can tell, is a very nice, very beautiful building. We'll put some information about Solomon's Castle here. They've also got a car museum. We're not doing that today. Done it before. There's, if I remember, about 12 cars in there. A lot of old cars that have some history to them, interesting stuff. So if you're here, make sure you do that.
The water out here.
Watch out for the wildlife here. It's very dangerous here. There's a frog and a cat hanging out together. And Buddha. Make sure you bring plenty of cash because it is cash only.
I didn't know.
No cards. Because you're out in the middle of, what's the name of this city, baby?
Ona?
Ona.
Ona,
You're in the
Florida?
middle of Ona, Florida. And you're out here. Your reaction when I tell you this, because Marcy's going to be a little disappointed.
What?
There is no recording inside the buildings.
Oh.
You cannot take pictures or record while inside any of the buildings.
Well, you just have to kind of see it then because it's
And,
super cool.
and I think that's a new rule. I think before we recorded, I'll have to look and see if I got some old videos, but I don't remember that being the case before. Maybe they, maybe because we didn't have a big camera with mics and all that stuff, they never said anything. We just used their cell phone. But we're gonna eat at the boat in Moat. We're going to show you the food here, and they got some really good food. It's worth the trip out here just to eat at the restaurant. This is on a Friday and they're busy. They're busier than normal. So once you go to the gift shop and get your ticket, you got to go walk through the boat there and go to the gift shop on the other side, purchase your ticket. Once you purchase your ticket, you sit in the sitting area there by the horse and they will come out and get you. And once we get inside, we'll have to stop recording. There is no recording inside.
And that balcony that you see up there, he put that in there so he could step out onto it and talk to his subjects about any subject at all. Now these guys right here on either side of me, he found them on top of a junk pile. Picked up as many pieces as he could, put them back together, painted one black and one white, and well, guys, that's how we got our night and day out here. I'm going to have you come on in now. I am going to remind you, no pictures or videos when you're inside the castle. Stop right here in front of the castle.
Look at this door.
Go to the other side, out to the boat and up to the lighthouse, and I'll get you on your way to your next adventure. When you hit the curve of the sidewalk out here, look down. You'll see I make stuff right there in that curve. As you look up to the second floor bedroom, you'll see a bay window. Howard wanted etched windows, so he went ahead, taped out the 12 signs of the zodiac, and then he sandblasted the windows. That's how he got that etched look. And if you look up as you're walking across the yellow brick road into the left-hand corner on the second floor, that is the window I asked you to look out of when you were coming into the house. It looks nothing like the window you saw. And by the way, that is the Nina, and the Pinta is on the opposite side. Now, if you look on the side of the castle, you'll see a mural painted by Guy Labrie. Guy is a famous painter for the Seminole Indians here in Florida. He painted that in honor of Howard, called it Wizard at Work. Down below, there are guys popping out of the ground with swords over their heads. You see them? Mm-hmm. All right, that's Howard's installation. He did call his the fencing. 1990, Howard had heart surgery. He was recuperating in his bedroom, looked out over here, and decided he wanted a boat in his moat. So the very next day, he came out and dug 105 holes so he could jet in pilings to keep this boat in place. Now, he did make it out of all recycled material. He did all the stained glass windows that you see. Now, it did take Howard 4 years to complete this boat. He used it for a lot of different things. Elaine was thinking about moving back to the area, and he offered her up this boat to turn into her restaurant, trying to entice her to come home. And that is how we got our boat in the Moat restaurant that we have today.
It was like
So we are allowed to record inside the restaurant.
over by your dad's house.
The red barn.
That one.
This is what it looks like.
Red house.
Forgot about that.
I wonder if that place is still open.
I think they shut down for good. Yeah, fruit salad.
That's what I
And
thought.
Marcy, do you want to, let's order that, what was it you wanted to start
I
with?
did.
Oh, you did?
You mean the spinach?
Yeah,
Yeah, I ordered it.
okay, I was
Yeah,
gonna
for my
say, order it
side.
and we'll all eat out of it.
You good?
Oh,
And
can
it's
you-
gonna be little.
And you,
So you want to do? There's a spinach that's
I'm getting the lasagna.
but it just comes with two, so it's a little bit bigger. You want me to do a spinach too? This
Yeah.
one.
Salads.
I think y'all will nibble on it a little bit. The spinach.
do you want?
Because hers is gonna be, you know, it's gonna be two of those if you get the. You want to do that and then change your side?
Whatever you think, baby.
Change my side
mashed potatoes.
to
I have homemade chicken, pot pie, and fruit salad.
Wow, look at the fruit salad. It looks like marshmallows. Hey, Brenda.
Meatloaf.
Oh, some beautiful chicken salad.
meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and green beans, and fruit salad.
Oh,
And this is for everybody.
what is that?
This is spinach casserole, which sounds really gross, but it is amazing.
And I got lasagna with mashed potatoes and a roll. Talk about it. You want to try a bite?
But the spinach,
Yeah.
the spinach
I
casserole.
want to get in there.
Yep.
Yeah.
You want to get in it? You want in it? Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let's get a bite because I know this is good. I've had it before. And it looks very strange, but it is scrumptious. Is that a word, scrumptious?
That's scrumptious. What is this? Oh, there we go.
Meatloaf, mashed potatoes and gravy, green beans and a roll, and fruit salad.
Yep. So how is it, baby?
It's very good.
Is that a do-over?
Oh yeah. And I love this place anyway. It's so cool and unique and they're so nice here. Oh my, that is delicious.
Thank you.
That is really good.
Very good.
Wow.
This is too.
That is very good and very cheesy. Very cheesy. Sophia's gonna share a bite with me. Oh yeah,
It's good, right?
that pot pie is good. That
Y'all help
pot
me
pie
with
is
the
really good.
spinach. Sophia, what did you think about the spinach
So
casserole?
that's our food right there.
Not bad.
Not bad.
And that was delicious. Yeah, that's the gift shop over there. And then you come out the Moat. Alrighty, we are walking over to the gift shop now and we'll show you some of that. And over here in the gift shop is where you pay for all the stuff, the boat, the tour and all that stuff. You pay for the meal. After you're done eating, you just come right on over here. And this is where you pay for the meal, pay for your tickets, the tours, everything. Some reindeer. There is the car museum. But we didn't do the car museum on this tour because we've seen it before. Definitely go check it out. Well, they had trails that went through here, and the hurricane has done a lot of damage to the trails, so we can't cross the bridge. It's been damaged to go to the trails that go behind the castle. Maybe next time.
Solomon's Castle is a really cool day trip. It immerses you not only in Mr. Solomon's art, but his life and the history behind it. He was a pretty fascinating guy. Solomon's Castle is located in Ona, Florida, and is about 1.5 hours east of Tampa and 2 hours south of Orlando. They're open daily from 11 to 4 except Monday. However, they suspend tours July, August, and September due to the heat. Wear comfy shoes because you'll be walking and standing on the tour. After you've completed the tour, go next door and enjoy lunch on the boat. Both the food and atmosphere are amazing. It's truly an experience. After lunch, you can stroll through their huge open-air gift shop with lots of unique stuff like you won't see anywhere else. Finally, take a stroll through the grounds. They're lined with gorgeous canopy of trees and interesting sights. All in all, it's a very fun and interesting experience that you won't find anywhere else. Before you go, love it if you would like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll get notifications of our upcoming adventures. Thanks so much for helping us grow our channel. See ya.